Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing tutorial, I'm going to be drawing Clumsy from the Smurfs movie. As always, I freehand a sketch in using a Caran D'ache 2H pencil. I then complete the rest of the drawing using my COPIC markers. The majority of this drawing I use a processed blue, which is a very light blue. It allows me to go slightly darker in some of the areas that need to be the darkest, but also by laying it down very finely, I can get quite a light looking blue. This also allows me to go into the darker areas with a coloured pencil. The blue's not such a dominant blue, so that I can't actually then get any darkness with the coloured pencil. So it's a fantastic colour and matches the Smurfs quite well. For the hat and trousers, I use a cool grey 1. As long as you're developing contrast in other areas of your drawing, you can make a cool grey 1 in the Copic markers appear to be white. As we all know, the Smurfs' hat and trousers and boots are white. But if I left this completely white, we'd have a very flat drawing. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a very cool tip that's going to make Clumsy look like he's standing off of the page. I'm not going to put a comic panel down like I have been doing in recent videos, but I am going to add a shadow underneath Clumsy's feet. This allows your brain to think that what we're seeing is something standing rather than something floating. All in all, this drawing took me about 4 hours. I really enjoyed doing it, and it was actually a request from my daughter, so I hope she's happy with this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm really enjoying doing the request videos at the moment, so if you have got any requests for me, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below, and I will endeavour to get your request video done as soon as possible. I'm having a lot of fun with the channel at the minute, guys. It's been great connecting with you. Hearing about some of the characters, some of the anime and manga that you guys are into. I've been learning an awful lot. I've actually started watching a little bit of anime and manga as well, thanks to you guys for putting me in the right direction. I'd love to connect with you, like I say, on social media. The links to all of my social media are down below, so don't forget to hook up with me on that. It's Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. It'd be really good to get a few more requests in. I've got quite a few lined up, but send me some of your requests. I can do anything from realistic graphite drawings to realistic cartoon characters, or even anime and manga. Perhaps there's a tutorial you'd like me to make, something that you'd like me to teach you how to draw. That's my finished Smurf. In the next picture you're going to see Smurf, where what I've actually done is I've cut the top of the page out, just leaving Clumsy's hat overhanging, and this just gives the impression that Smurf's actually standing up rather than stand or floating.
Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.